You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this French politician. If you want to learn more how to pronounce more names from French politics and more French names that many get wrong, stay tuned to the channel. We've got more for you. So the French pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in France, is as Benoît, the T is silent, Benoît, Benoît, Hamon, the H is silent, as is pretty much always as in French, so don't worry about it. Don't say Hamon, just pretend it starts with an A. Hamon. In English, you can say it as Benoît Hamon. Yeah, similarly, really. Benoît Hamon. Or Hamon. Not really Hamon. Hamon. Benoît Hamon. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.